Hey folks, this is HillbillyChris with a new video. I promised you in my latest fishing video to show you how I processed the rudds which I had caught. So here we are, let's get into it. I love dried meat, I love jerky, and the rudds are absolutely perfect for this. At first I put them in the deep freezer to make sure that I kill possible parasites. After defrost, it's important to salt them very well. Cover them in salt, inside and outside. After that, let them rest in the fridge for 3 more days. After the 3 days, we take them out, wash the salt off. Here I take toothpicks to keep the bellies open for better air circulation, to make sure that there is no molding inside. And now hang them out for air drying. The weather is perfect for drying. 30 degrees Celsius plus, dry air, and overnight I supported with a ventilator. It took just 4 days and the fish had been ready for snacking. So let's have a try. In Eastern Europe, it's very common to have this snack with a beer. So now prepare the fish for eating. First take the head off, then peel the skin off. It's a bit tricky. It takes some time, but it's okay. And finally you will be left with a wonderful fish jerky, which you can snack piece by piece with a cold beer. The best part are the back straps, of course. Yeah, I could not resist and snacked already 2 of them. And the leftover fish I vacuum sealed to put them in the fridge for long-term storage. And yeah, this is how I do it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Feel free to like, subscribe, comment and share. And then we see us in the next video. Thanks a lot for watching.